Okay guys, well, this is the area right off of my back patio, and this is the view from my back patio. Hi there, my name's Dawn. Thank you for joining me in my garden today. We are gardening in Texas Zone 8A, and today we're going to be taking a tour of my container garden. It is right here off of my back porch, and it is a container garden full of all different varieties from Japanese maples to roses. So let's get started. Absolutely gorgeous. So the crepe myrtle is in bloom up there. You can see that beautiful white crepe myrtle. And we've got Japanese maples planted everywhere. All right, so let's start right over here. And this right here is just a regular Bloodgood Japanese maple. And you guys can see that it is potted up in a pot, and it has been that way we're on about the third year for now. It's underplanted with some beautiful impatiens. So pretty, as always. This particular planting, let's see, I think I left the cards in here because I could not possibly tell you what these are, but look at this beautiful fern back here. Gorgeous. Soft, soft, soft leaves, so delicate. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And that particular fern is called a plumosa fern. And it did come back for me this year, so it acted like a perennial even in this pot. So I don't know what's going on with ferns, but I've been looking to get more of these, and it seems to me that they're only having holly ferns right now at the stores. So I don't know if there's a problem maybe with the weather that we've had that we're not able to get ferns like we used to. But anyways, this gorgeous, gorgeous ivy is called white-edged Swedish ivy, and look how luscious it is, and it has grown. It was one small little speck, and it is now overgrowing and trailing down out of the pot. But I love the texture of the foliage. And the leaves are very, very thick. It's another thing I like. It just glows in this garden. And then next to that is this is Joseph coat. Okay, so this one is the alternanthera, but it's the Joseph's coat is what this is. Okay, so you can see every now and then there's some variegated foliage with some pinks. Isn't that so cute? It's kind of getting buried behind this dragonwing begonias growing into this and over this Joseph's coat. So I don't want that to happen, but I also don't want to clip my begonia. So all of these things are doing gorgeous. And this entire container garden is fitted with drip. I have drip to each pot. So they are on a timer, and I do not have to water them. So it's a basic maintenance-free garden, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So here's the beautiful dragon wing. I will scroll back so you can see how big this is. Huge. So this was one plant, this dragon wing, and I actually unpotted it and cut it into 3, and I got 3 gorgeous dragonwing begonias out of it now. But look at the beautiful flower. I love begonias. So that is the second begonia out of the pot. This is the third begonia over here. Look at that. I love the draping arms on it. And then these two, this little fern, I love this little guy. Don't know what he is, but this is the Jurassic begonia here. And then above this, I've got this beautiful green Japanese maple. And it again is potted up with some white impatiens down here. And then I have this cute little kitty wind chime that when the wind blows, we can hear it in my kitchen. So pretty. Scroll back so you can see. Is that? And then there's the Bloodgood. And this, all right, so back to this begonia. And I know that my fountain is filthy and it needs to be cleaned. So you don't have to tell me. I'm aware of it and I'm on it. I'll be doing that probably tomorrow. But below, or I'm sorry, on top of this begonia is the, I think it's Moonlight in Paris rose. And look at this rose. How gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It doesn't get much prettier than that. So this is its second flush of blooms. It had its first flush in early to mid-spring, and now it's on its second. So, oh, just gorgeous. Okay, and then behind that, down here, we've got this beautiful petunia. Love, love, love. Look at that cherry center. That's so pretty. And then this is just an annual salvia growing up on either side of it. Okay, and then I'm getting some, this is hyacinth bean vine, and we're just gonna, go ahead and feed that up, and it'll fill this whole fence back here. Then look at this cute verbena. Oh my goodness, look how sweet these little blooms are. And it is covered in blooms right now. So cute. All right, and then after that, we're over here to the Belinda's Dream Rose. This is also its second flush of roses. It has plenty more that are about to open. Look at all the buds. Buds are everywhere. So, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous flower. And does really well in Zone 8A, so we are very lucky. So as you can see, the crepe myrtle right in the middle of this bed, it's basically just a big square. At the base of the Moonlight in Paris, I just have some fan flower. This area gets afternoon sun, so whatever was planted up with this had to be able to take full sun. So I've got some vinca ivy here and the fan flower. And then as we come over here, we've got two holly ferns. Two holly ferns, which I love. Those are also a staple in my garden. And I've got this beautiful leopard plant that is on drip. And it's just sitting, hiding my electrical plug and my the lights there for the home. But look at the foliage. How gorgeous. Okay, and then that is potted up next to, we've got some asparagus fern. It's actually hiding it back here. It's asparagus fern with some coleus and some mint. This mint has been coming back each year, but I've been having to replant the coleus and that asparagus fern. But look at the leaf on that coleus. And if you could smell this mint, oh my goodness, it's just wonderful. So this Japanese maple was added or transplanted, I should say, about 3 years ago, and it looks to be doing really well. It's also serving as a beautiful way for my clematis to train into and make beautiful flowers. So it looks like I have in the spring a flowering Japanese maple. So it's actually just gorgeous. This is all clematis back here, which I do have some video of the clematis when it was in full bloom. It does need some trimming, but I will get to that another time. So down here we have some white, oh goodness, I want to say barbacoa, but I know it's not. It's actually coming out of bloom. Bacopa, excuse me, bacopa. I do love barbacoa, but look at the pretty sweet little bloom on that. And then some more fan flower. Love scavoli. Beautiful purple color. This is planted up with there's some creeping Jenny back there that is slowly creeping down. It's kind of hidden. You can't even see it. And that in there, again, is the Belinda's Dream. And this is a beautiful, beautiful spirea, double doozy, double play doozy that has been in this pot for, I think we're going on 3 or 4 years now. It is huge. And can you see how many blooms it had on it that have since dried up, but it is still making new blooms. Still making some real pretty hot pink blooms is what they look like. Let me come around this way, show you some of the newer blooms back on this side, how cute they are. So pink. And then back here we have a lemon and a lime tree. So this back here is not really for its beauty. It's kind of why they're hidden back here. But this is the, I think this is the lemon tree, and then this is the lime tree over here. So they are not producing fruit at the moment. They might be in a little too much shade, but we have the some white scavoli down here trailing off the side of the pot. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then I showed you, I think in another video of the hosta tour, this is one of the newer plantings back here. This is one of the hostas that just the bright foliage is beautiful with that carex back there. And this is a tiny Tough Stuff red hydrangea, even though it looks pink. This is also a new addition to the garden. And as you can see, those are actually in the dirt and not in the pots. But I do have a gorgeous chartreuse colored carex right here that I just love. It adds some brightness. So along with that hosta, just picks up some beautiful, beautiful color back here. This is the other view. Isn't that just gorgeous? And let me see if I can get a crickmyrtle flower for you. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, well, we were lucky to catch almost everything in bloom, whether the blooms were small or little, we got a little bit of everything. So all right, guys, but that's all. Thanks for joining me today. And if you like this video, please press that button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And I appreciate you hanging out and hope you'll be back. Have a great day.